Lifetime deal alert from softwaretrailers.com. Today we are presenting Channel by Space. For only $49, get lifetime access. Do you want to communicate with your team effectively? Are you looking for an easy-to-use and efficient communication solution for your team? Look no further, check out Channel by Space. Channel by Space is a simple and quick team communication solution with only the most essential functions, allowing teams to focus on their job without being distracted. Create communication channels that are both useful and well-organized using Channel by Space. In-app meetings will help with quick decision-making and real-time collaboration. You can instantly share files or start a video call with a single click. Channel by Space offers software with a few features that contribute directly in increasing productivity. It lets you make intentional conversations with your team and have a broad emphasis on the results. Minimal features that fulfill real needs while still not confusing your team. Channel by Space makes it simple to set up and invite your team. Attach files quickly and refer to team members in the process. Communicate privately with your teammates by setting up several channels with varied privacy settings. Channel by Space is mobile-friendly, with features like quick team and purposeful communication, meetings and calls within the app, simple and easy features, keyboard shortcuts, and message searching. In-app calls save time and are more convenient for teams than alternative scheduling solutions. No more phone calls will be made. Instead, everyone will make space calls. Your team's communication will be quick and meaningful, thanks to Channel. With a simple click, share files instantly or initiate a video call. You will have everything in one location. Get lifetime access for only $49. Concentrate on conversions from interactions to increase productivity. Channel by Space is an excellent choice. Try it now. Click the link below for more details. Go through the collection of current software lifetime deals available on the right side of your screen. Find a software solution that suits you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get updates on the latest software deals with great discounts. Thanks for watching. See you next time.